Today we will derive section formula as well as midpoint formula. Here we have one line A and B. Coordinates of A is x1 y1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2. If P point divide it into M is to N ratio, we have to find the coordinate of P of xy. Uh, we have to find the coordinate of P of xy. First, first of all, we will understand this figure. Now, this point is x1 0, this point is x0, and this point is x2 0. Same way, this point is y1 0, this point is 0y, and this point is 0y2. Now, distance between x1 0 to origin is x1. Distance from origin and this point x0 is x, and distance between uh, x2 0 from origin is x2. Now first of all we have to find this distance between these 2 points. This distance is x minus x1, and same way we can say that distance between these 2 points is x2 minus x. Here same way 0 y1, the distance from 0 y1 is y1. uh, Distance from origin to 0y is y, and distance from origin 0y2 is y2. Now here we have to find the distance between these 2 points is y minus y1, and same way the distance between these 2 points is y2 minus y. Okay, here we have triangle AMP and PNB. Okay, first of all we will prove these two triangles are AMP and PNB. Both the triangles are similar triangle by AA condition. Okay, we know that two lines are these two lines are parallel lines, and if we take uh, AB line as a transversal, then we can say that angle A and angle P both are corresponding angle. Okay, and same way we can say that angle M and angle N both are right angle. So we can say that these two triangles are similar triangle. If these two triangles are similar triangle, then by definition of similarity, their corresponding sides, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, AM upon PN is equals to MP upon NB is equals to AP upon PB. Okay. Now, we will derive the formula for finding P of xy. We have to find the coordinate of P of xy. First of all, we will compare AM upon Pn is equals to AP upon PB. AM upon Pn is equals to AP upon PB. AM, AM, distance between A and M is x minus x1. Distance of Pn, distance of Pn is x2 minus x. So we will put here AP, AP is M and PB is equals to N. Okay. Now we will put all the values of the given equation. Now we multiply cross multiply of both the equation. That means n with x minus x1 and m with x2 minus x. Okay. Now multiply nx minus nx1 is equals to mx2 minus mx. Okay. And then after we will take uh, m sorry x on same side, and x1 and x2 both are on same side. Okay, then we will take x as a common from this equation, and this value is as it is, and after that we can find the value of x. The value of x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus m. Same way we have to find the coordinate of y. For finding coordinate of y, we will take MP upon NB is equals to AP upon PB. Okay. Now put the value of mp upon nb. mp, okay, mp, the value of mp is y minus y1. The value of nb is y2 minus y, and we know that ap is m and pb is n. Okay, again cross multiply, n multiply by with y minus y1 and m multiply by with y2 minus y. Now ny minus ny1 is equals to m by 2 minus my. Okay, and taking terms of y on same side. Okay, now taking y common from this equation, therefore next equation is y in the bracket n plus m is equals to m by 2 plus n by 1, and then after we can find the value of y is equals to m by 2 plus n by 1 upon n plus m. Okay, then after we will discuss about section formula. Okay, sorry, midpoint formula. In midpoint formula, AB and P is the midpoint of this line AB. Okay, therefore the value of M and the value of N both are equal. Okay, now we will put in this equation M and N both are equal. We replace M in terms of N. Here P of xy is a midpoint of AB, then M is equals to M. We will, this is x coordinate of the section formula and this is y coordinate of the section formula. Instead of N, we will put M. Okay, therefore x is equals to mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus m, and same way y is equals to m by 2 plus m by 1 upon m plus m. X is equals to, we take m as a common, m in the bracket x2 plus x1 upon 2m. Same way y, here we will take m as a common, m y2 minus y2 plus y1 upon m plus m, that means 2m. M cancel on both the coordinates and we get x is equals to x2 plus x1 upon 2 and y is equals to y2 plus y1 upon 2. Okay,